What's up, everybody? I'm back. My name is Raf. I'm the CEO of Raf's Coaching LLC, and we're back with another episode of Raf's Whiteboard. In episode 7 today, we take you how to get approved for a business loan. Now, a business loan is super important for entrepreneurship in their journey if they're looking to raise capital, hire new employees, or are looking for business expansion. But how do you get approved for that business loan? Today we're going to go through the steps, how to get approved for the business loan, so let's jump right in. Alright, so the very first step you'll need for your business loan is your EIN number. You also, with your EIN number, you will also need your articles of incorporation when you form with your state documentation. So that's the very first step that you'll need for your business loan, that documentation. The second thing they will ask you is your tenure. How long have you been in business? Now, for a traditional bank loan with any of the big banks, they are looking for businesses to be in business for 2 years plus. Now, if you need anything under 2 years, you may want to resort to the SBA. So, tenure is a super big factor when going for your business loan. So 2 years plus, put here for you. And then just remember, if you need anything sooner, under 2 years, the SBA would be a good option to look into for your business loan. The third thing the bank is going to ask you for and review is your financial statements of loss and profit and loss. So ensure that you have that. You can find that through your financial institution that you use your bank with for expenses and income. Loss and profit form. With your loss and profit form, they're also going to ask you for 2 years of your tax return for the business. So making sure that you have your documentation with your financials is super important, as they will ask for your loss and profit. They do that because they want to evaluate if you're high risk or low risk with your business. Having those documentations handy and up to date will give them a good idea of how much they should get you approved for your loan. The fourth thing you will also need is, with your documentation, will be your business plan. They want to know your industry, what you're doing, what are some of your future plans related to the business loan needs around your business plan. So ensuring you have your business plan ready for you. They also want to know your industry size and the ownership around your business. Who's involved, who the parties, and now all that information will come from your operational agreement. So I would say have your operational agreement available so you can provide to the bank. All right, and then your fifth and final step that you want to make sure that is set up as you go through these documentations and prep for your business application for the business loan is a PG, which is a personal guarantor. They want your credit of your personal side to be at a 690 plus when you go for your business loan with the bank. So 690 plus is required for your personal guarantor as the PG for the approval turnaround. So there you have it. The very first step, you want to collect your EIN number, your articles of incorporation. You want to be in business for about 2 years plus before you go for this application process. Now, if you do need under 2 years, you do have the SBA for 6 months to a year if you're looking to get funding sooner, but they are still going to require a lot of these documentations. Financial and loss and profit form, 2 years of your tax return, business plan of your industry size, your operational agreement, all the parties and owners, and then finally, a personal guarantor of 690 or plus. So there you guys have it. Those are the steps of how to get approved for your business loan through one of your bigger banks. Again, if you need a smaller loan, quicker time, be sure to check out the SBA for some of their lending and funding programs. All right, if you haven't already, I'll see you next week for episode 8. It is going to be our final episode. I got a good one cooking up for you guys, so make sure you tune in. If you need anything on consulting needs, services, or products, make sure you visit us at rafscoachingllc.net to get all the resources and tools you need. And also make sure you just like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you next week. Peace.